Every manufacturer of custom campers knows the pain. Models and options scattered across countless drawings and outdated price lists. Prices are updated manually, data is rarely in sync, and every small mistake costs time, money, and trust. What if every product, price, and configuration coexisted in one complete system? Update it once, and it updates everywhere. Your customers see exactly what you offer, while your team sells faster, smarter, and without errors. The 3D Configurator brings your products to life. Customers customize and save their own custom designs. Sales reps pick up where they left off, seamlessly. Every custom design flows seamlessly into production, accurate, automated, and ready to build. From a single dashboard, your entire process stays connected and under control. Faster quotes, fewer mistakes, happier customers. From build to order in one streamlined flow. From complexity to clarity. From configuration to conversion.